In today's video, we're taking a deep look at KP University, or more accurately, what has now evolved into Start and Scale Business Academy, created by entrepreneur and brand builder Kayla Parrilla. If you've spent any time on TikTok or Instagram looking for help starting an online business, then you might have seen Kayla pop up in your feed. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff so you can make confident decisions about courses, communities, and tools that promise to help you grow an online business. So today's video is all about understanding what Kayla's program really offers, who it's for, who might not need it, and whether it delivers enough value to justify the investment. The rise of the modern online entrepreneur. Over the last decade, starting an online business has gone from something that only tech people do to something almost anyone can try. And it's because the barriers have dropped so much. The big shift isn't whether people can start, it's whether they know how to scale. That's the part that nobody talks about. It's not the first sale that's hard, it's the next 300. Most beginners get stuck on the same thing. Finding reliable vendors, choosing a niche that isn't already completely saturated, designing a brand that doesn't look like everyone else's, building a website that actually converts, understanding how to create content that actually gets views, handling shipping, packaging, customer service, returns, and dealing with the mental roller coaster of entrepreneurship. And that's where online courses and communities have exploded. People want a mentor. Kayla's program fits squarely into that space. Beginners who have ambition, ideas, a little bit of a budget, and want guidance from someone who has actually done it. What Start and Scale Business Academy actually is. Smart and Scale Business Academy is basically the modern version of what Kayla originally called KP University. It's an online course and community hosted on WAP, where she teaches her methods for building a brand from scratch and growing it into something that can generate consistent sales. The landing page describes it like this: expert lessons from a successful CEO of a multi-million-dollar brand. Private CEO community. Tools to make 10K to 100K a month with any online business. What really matters is, what do you actually get inside? So there are three main components. One, the core video lessons. These cover branding, marketing, choosing products, sourcing vendors, launching your website, promoting on Instagram and TikTok, influencer collaborations, and scaling strategies. Most lessons are short, direct, and designed to get you into action instead of overwhelming you with theory. 3, the community. This might actually be the heart of the program. Over 3,000 members are inside, sharing questions, posting wins, getting feedback, and staying accountable. There's something motivating about starting a brand alongside other people who are taking it seriously as well. How Kayla teaches, her style and approach. She talks like she would talk to a friend who's starting a brand. She's also very open about her own story. Now, a lot of her curriculum is rooted in branding through storytelling, growing through short-form content, understanding what makes a product viral, using influencers strategically, building a community around your brand, and making sure your aesthetic actually resonates with your audience. If you've watched her TikToks, you already know the vibe. The course follows that same tone. What you learn inside the program. Here's a deeper look at the main pillars. Product sourcing and vendors. So one of the biggest hurdles that beginners face is simply figuring out who to trust. You can scroll through Alibaba all day, but it's hard to tell the difference between a good supplier and a terrible one. Inside the course, Kayla breaks down how to test vendors without wasting money, what red flags to look out for, how many samples you should order, how to negotiate prices without being awkward, how to build long-term relationships with suppliers. This is also where the vendor list becomes extremely valuable. Brand design and aesthetics. A product is one thing. A brand is something totally different. Kayla walks through how to pick a niche that actually has demand, how to choose a color palette, how to create a mood board that guides your entire brand identity, the basics of logo design, and how to make your store look cohesive even if you're not a designer. She uses tools like Canva and Adobe Express, so you don't need expensive software. This section's great for people who know what they want their brand to feel like, but are struggling to translate that into visuals. Website setup and e-commerce foundations. Kayla focuses mostly on Shopify, which makes sense. It's kind of the standard now for physical product brands. She walks you through choosing a theme, setting up your homepage, writing product descriptions that actually convert, adding product photos and how to shoot them affordably, setting up shipping, and all the little settings that new store owners forget about. Marketing and social content. If you follow Kayla, you already know that she leans heavily on TikTok, Reels, and Instagram. That's where she built her audience, and that's the strategy she teaches. This part of the course covers how to create content that actually gets views, what makes a product go viral, the types of videos beginners should focus on, posting schedules, influencer collaborations, and how to turn organic content into consistent sales. Honestly, this section might be the most valuable for modern entrepreneurs, but organic content is still wide open, especially for clothing and accessory brands. Kayla really leans into that. Logistics and operations. This is the part no one wants to talk about, but it's the part that will make or break your business once you start getting orders. She covers packaging supplies, shipping label tools, returns and exchanges, customer service templates, order fulfillment workflows, and how to avoid common operational mistakes. But if you skip over it, you'll burn out fast. Mindset and consistency. Building a brand is emotionally exhausting. You're dealing with money, fear, self-doubt, imposter syndrome, comparison, all the fun stuff. Kayla includes lessons that talk you through staying consistent when you're not seeing sales yet, handling negative comments, dealing with slow months, and not letting perfectionism stop you from launching. These lessons aren't raw motivational kind of content. Pros of Start and Scale Business Academy. So here is where the program really shines. Number one, the community is surprisingly engaged. A lot of online course communities die after a few months, but this one's very active. Members share wins, ask questions, post content ideas, share vendor tips. It feels alive. 2, the vendor list alone saves you weeks of research. For many beginners, this is worth the price itself. Having a curated supplier list cuts out so much trial and error. 3, Kayla teaches from real experience. She built her brand from zero, not from theory. Her teaching reflects that. 4, affordable entry point. The limited time $50 offer makes this one of the cheapest brand building courses on the market. 5, beginner friendly. Now, nothing in the program is overwhelming. You don't need a design background or any business experience. Cons and things to be aware of. 1, it's mostly tailored toward apparel and accessories. If you want to launch a digital product or a home goods brand, some content won't apply as directly. 2, not as deep on business fundamentals. You won't get detailed training on taxes, accounting, inventory management, or advanced analytics. You may need additional resources as your business grows. 3, some lessons might feel basic to intermediate sellers. If you already run a Shopify store and you know the basics, the early modules may feel like review. 4, results vary a lot. Some members scale quickly. Others post months of updates without major progress. Like any course, effort matters. Who this program is best for? Start and Scale Business Academy is ideal for beginners who want to start a clothing, accessory, or lifestyle brand. Anyone who needs trusted vendor connections. Entrepreneurs who learn better visually through short, direct lessons. Creators who want to grow through TikTok and IG Reels. People who need community and accountability to stay consistent. Anyone overwhelmed by trying to piece everything together alone. It's not the best fit for people building SaaS products or software. Service-based entrepreneurs. Advanced Shopify store owners. Anyone who wants super deep technical training. So, Start and Scale Business Academy is a solid program, especially if you're starting from zero and need a roadmap, community, and guidance on how to start a physical product brand the right way. The curriculum is simple, the community is strong, and the vendor list alone saves you a ton of frustration. Is it perfect? No courses. But for the price, you get a lot of value, and it presents everything in a down-to-earth way that feels relatable instead of corporate or overwhelming. So if you want to get started with the Start and Scale Business Academy, you can go ahead and click the link down below in the description. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we post honest reviews of different courses, so you know whether they're worth it or not. So be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you here in the next one.